Repotting Pothos plant to a bigger plastic with only water. No soil means no fungus gnats, no compacted mix, and no hidden root rot from soggy soil. The roots stay visible, so issues are spotted early. Pothos naturally forms aerial roots that adapt easily to water. When kept in water only, it grows clean. White water roots that absorb oxygen and nutrients directly from the water.